We'll be working on top of the cabinets today. This is the last box that needs to be installed before we can go downstairs and start powering on these circuits. After this, the only thing left to do in the kitchen is to install the new under cabinet lights. This is not the way I want it to be. We're going to have to revisit this at some point. I want to change it so that these holes are pretty much flush up against the bottom, the top of the cabinets. I don't know why it was originally done this way. I just don't remember. It might have been put in prior to the cabinets, or I don't know. I don't remember what the reasoning was, but it's not the way that I want it to be. So we'll have to change it. Not a big deal. We can change it at any time. We can certainly set it up and use it as it is, and then go back and make cosmetic changes later. So first we need to get this out of here. All three of these wires are now just going to be abandoned inside the wall. I'll leave a lot of slack on them because maybe we'll use them for something else someday, who knows. It's new, good wire. I only changed it because I wanted a different logic. So we'll just stick that back up in here like this. And here's our new wire that we're going to use. This has got a lot of slack on it. A little bit too much. So there's a discrepancy here on what to do about this. Get this mess out of the way and then we can look at it. So the discrepancy is these metal old work boxes are a fraction the size as those stinking plastic old work boxes, which I don't understand. Because, I mean, look at this. It's probably about a 1/4 inch on top and almost a 1/2 inch on the sides. So the problem is if I go to put this metal box, it's just going to fall through the wall. So I don't know why it's like that. That doesn't make any sense to me. But what I'm going to have to do, I guess, to solve the question for me, is I'm going to have to just put the wire in this box and let the box sit on top of the cabinets for now, because the hole is too daggone big to use it. And then I guess when I move, like, I'll put the hole down here instead, and then I can patch it up and it'll look better at that point. But yeah, I'm gonna have to just set the box on top of the cabinets for now. It's not really what I wanted to do, but it'll work. I don't like this type of connector. Just don't like it. I think I'll be replacing this outlet with a standard normal wiring one when I redo this box, because I can't get a good connection on this because of the way this is designed. There's no way to really crimp this down like I'd like to. That side was okay. Now when I connect this part to the box, that should bond the box, so I'm not going to have an additional bonding wire connected to this box. I don't think so that we need it. Heck, the tool's falling across the room here. Okay, everything looks good with this. That was pretty simple. Let's go ahead and close it up. Oh, it's missing a screw. I should have been suspicious that everything was going pretty quick. I don't see the screw in this old box. That stinks. If I had a screw somewhere else floating around here, I probably do. I think we can probably use this one. This is kind of long, but it'll work. I guess I should have shortened those wires a little bit. This is really kind of fitting tight towards the end here. And I just lost that screw. Here it is. Alright, we're just going to go with that for now. Not ideal, but it'll just come up and sit on the counter like that and we'll plug stuff into it. And someday I'll come back and fix this. I don't know what the heck that was. Just needs to plug that in so that it's on the switch, and that's it. Good enough. In fact, this might even be better for the interim because it's probably even less visible than if it was plugged in up there. That wire, this wire I will pull out through the attic. I should be able to do that. Okay, that's a wrap on the kitchen electrical from the upstairs side. Where the heck did this come from? Now we gotta spend a lot of time working downstairs, hooking all this stuff up.